in your mind with a lot of positivity. But it goes a little step further than that. We talk about your mind right, getting your mind right, but man, you got to be hungry. If you want to be successful in anything, you got to be hungry for it. You got to be passionate about it. You know what I mean?
When I got into real estate, I was able to position myself to be able to find a home over there for a good deal, work it out with my real estate knowledge, and be able to buy a home that in the area that I always dreamed of, owning a home in. I've been able to, the fancy cars, plenty of cash, plenty of good times, with the money. You know what I'm saying? We can't go into that type of details, you know what I'm saying, right now. But
What up? It's DJ Envy. Now, shout out to Real Estate Heat TV. They got the hottest new real estate channel. Shout out to my man, real estate coach AnThony Leggins and Coach Armond Wright. They bring the heat with the latest strategies and techniques to take you to the next level. So make sure you subscribe now, right? Salute.